So me and the models, we all gonna be hanging out and having a good time.
I think you have a smartphone addiction.
What? Dude, that totally just ruined the mood right there. I was just telling you about how I'm a baller and I'm gonna go on a Fyre Fest luxury yacht package with my cat. And you, what did you say?
James Cat. Frontier Communications bundles will give you a flip phone for free.
So what does that have to do with anything?
That means you don't need to bring the smartphone with you.
This is mine and James Cat's last recording. Hopefully someone will find this video camera. We've been stranded on this boat for almost 2 hours. We're hungry, and we can't order pizza without a cell phone. All hope is lost. There were people that said me and James Cat have a cell phone addiction. She was texting instead of taking her swim classes. I don't know why we listened to them. Without a cell phone, we're gonna perish out here. I even threw her overboard to get fish for us. But brown cats are vegans. I would have known that if there was a cell phone. Those people that said that we're addicted to cell phones.
I think you have a smartphone addiction, Clif. I think you should leave the smartphone at home.
Why did I listen to you? Look at us now. James Cat is innocent in all this. I want everyone to know out there, you need your cell phone 24/7. Because you never know when you're gonna get stranded on a boat with your cat.
It's all your fault, Brittany, from Frontier.
Can't believe that, Brittany.
I can't believe it.
Brittany. Oh, no.